people, another day don't see show. Oh yeah, Mona rush, Mona gather, Mona align this matter. The matter where I want to align today, now based on this our legend matter to Baba. Normal level, I don't really to pay attention to the matter like that because I just feel say na family matter, everybody go sort out themselves last. Then I watched the podcast when you do with Nedu. Normal na Two-Face yarning. Two-Face not really they send like that. The guy just the yarning stuff like that. The few times me does see yarn. But when I consider apology video when you do, I don't really watch the apology video first too, like that too. I can't see people they raise concern, do too fair yarn, he brother yarn. I go save don't yarn. Some of people they yarn. Wetin really they happen? Make me observe that video. Of a truth, that one not be our legend. That one not be too Baba. Something just they off about that guy. Maybe say I know if you just place my hand on. Why man go they do video like that? As in before you go the podcast, you talk what you want talk. As in like own up to what you talk. Because I don't really see what the guy talk when you're wrong. Now your opinion be that one. Everybody gets your own opinion for different issue. But when they talk me our legend, when they hold camera like that, especially when they hold camera the video and when they do like picking maybe say if you don't do the video they'll flog them. That one not be our Two-Face so. Really, that one not be our Two-Face. I can't settle down and read what he bother talk. Man, so kind of thing they go on behind the scene or maybe we don't know about oh. I don't know how they want to do and they need to rescue that guy. They need to rescue that guy. They need to rescue him. All of us, they reason this thing like joke, normal stuff like that. This one don't pass joke matter. That video, I they see the talker, that one not be our Two-Face. Like, man of that age, man may get 7 children, as in grown-up kids, so no be saying as small children when they grand, when be tata. Because normal level, this guy, Ferosh baby, fair talk this thing that year, say our legend can't behave like tata. That time, I know what to reason the matter. I just feel say no man a comedian, I must see true 1 or 2. But of a truth, something they off. I beg, I don't know how they want to do. I mean, family members and all those me they close to the guy. Mona rescue that guy. That guy need help. Make we forget any other thing at all. That guy need help. Now, the guy need the people close to him. I know say this guy talk for a statement saying now he really need somebody like San Sultan. But it's just the unfortunate say San Sultan no day again. Another person need to rise up. The family need to rise up at this junction though. Because of a truth, that one, no, that person so may they do those yarnings. No be our Two-Face. No be too Baba be that. Because you was here say two Baba go pay palo go they sing. Two Baba go they follow woman up and down. I don't understand. You be what is that they call House of Assembly member. You they represent a go normal level. Nobody follow you argue. We present the ego. Not be say anywhere you they go. Our legend go they follow you. They follow. You know follow like that too. Of a truth oh. When we see truth, when we they talk amo. What did they happen? You get your career. Or get a career. May you chase the career. May you chase your own. Not be say in that day our House of Assembly that I don't know. Maybe that day, maybe me no know. I need to confirm that story because I don't understand. I beg everybody may need to. I may they in charge. The family members and every other person may need to rescue that guy. I beg Mona do something. My people, I wanna visit this matter. Mona talk put to Mona drop in a comment. So make we yarn, make we gist, make we discuss about this thing. Because this thing can happen to anybody. Anybody can. This thing happen to anybody. As it stand like this so. So Mona don't forget to like. Mona don't forget to subscribe. And that bell, Mona don't forget to click that bell. My people, una do.